Hello, guys, and welcome again to this edition of Learning with Rich. In this topic, we are now going to continue our discussion for collaboration topic in our certified professional examination for Revit architecture. Okay, so this is the last topic for the collaboration topic. Okay, so we're going to discuss how to assess review warnings in Revit. Okay, most of you guys probably do not use to or probably are not used in assessing review warning in Revit. But in the examination, you'll be able to encounter this. So every time I take the examination, there's this type of question that is asking you to assess review warnings in Revit. Although in real practice, we really seldom do this assessing warning in our Revit project. But in the examination, we have no choice. So we need to know what is this or how to assess review warnings in Revit. Okay. So again, in the examination, there is already warnings in your particular project, in this project. So the only thing that you need to do again is where is this warning? How to locate this warning tool? Okay, so that's the only problem. So once you locate that warning tool, it's easy now to answer the question. Okay, now if you go to the manage tab, this is where you actually see the warning. So you go to the manage tab, and then from the inquiry panel, you'll be able to see their warnings. Okay, so this is actually the tool that you use to review warnings. Okay, you might encounter, you might already encounter these warnings before if you are working on with your Revit project. So probably you are having some warning somewhere here, right? So if you want to review those warnings that is appearing on your project, this is the tool that you need to select. Okay. So it displays a list of messages that you can ignore or resolve. So if you click that one, you will be able to see now your warnings here. So if you click, okay, and then if you expand that, so you will be able to expand here. What are the elements that is included to your warning? So as you can see, if I click this one, it highlights this portion. Okay, this is actually what is on the examination. If you click this one, it highlights. Okay, and then also in the examination, you will be asked what is the ID. So this is actually the ID. Let's say, for example, what is the ID of the element that is on the warning one. Okay, so this is the warning one, and then this is the element ID. So the only thing that you need to know is to locate where is this warning. And I have already shown it to you. So you just need to go to manage, inquiry, and warning. So you just need to click that one, and then you will now be able to check out your warnings. So if you want to highlight this one, you just need to click. If you want to show this element in other view, so you just need to select here show, and then you just need to close this. Okay, as you can see, you just show, right? So Revit will show you different angles of that particular element. So you just need to select show. I think that's all. So those are the available view where it shows this particular element. Okay, just need to select OK. There you go. You just select show again. There you go. There, that's one. Okay, so basically you'll be able to explore different views of this particular element that is included in your warning. Okay, so basically that's how it is. Okay, this is a pretty simple tool. The only makes this question in the examination difficult is that most of the people do not know where is this warning located at. So where is this warnings tool located at? So I'm going to close now this one. And just a recap, the warning tools can be found on your Manage tab, Inquiry, Warnings. Okay, there you go. So again, hopefully you learned something from this video. And just remember, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also, if you want me to help you to do your project in your office, in your company, don't hesitate to ask me, okay? I have a team for us to work on your project, okay? All right. So there you go. So thank you for watching, guys. That's it for our topic for collaboration. So we will be continuing our preparation for this examination. Next topic, it's about documentation. All right. So we are now done with our collaboration. So what are the topics that we have discussed in our collaboration? It's copying and monitoring elements, using work sharing, importing drawing and images files, using work sharing visualization, and the last one is assessing the review warnings in Revit. Okay, so for our next topic, it's about documentation for our preparation. Thank you guys and have a nice day.